Hello everybody, it's the Maverick Trader here. Welcome to today's Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. And today I'll also be doing an analysis of CNX IT because there has been a breakout in it and there is a possibility that you can see a good rally in IT stocks the next 2-3 days. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin. First with the Bank Nifty analysis. So Bank Nifty, again, if you would have seen my previous analysis videos, you would have seen that Bank Nifty is continuously taking resistance from this trend line here. As you can see, it's continuously taking resistance. So watch out for that trend line. And then today Bank Nifty broke this important level and gave a good move up to 38,950. So this acts as a very important level. Tomorrow, if it breaks this level, again, we can go for a short trade up to 38,950. And then tomorrow, I would not prefer trading between this range, 39,884 and 39,460, because the moving averages are within this range. And I think it'd be very hard to trade in this range because you would find stiff supports and resistance. But if it breaks 39,880, then we can go for a long trade up to 40,115. So that's a good 300 point, 250, 300 point trade. And if it breaks that level also, we can go for a long trade up to 40,400. Okay. Now we'll move to Bank Nifty. Sorry, I will move to Nifty. I'm sorry. So Nifty also has a trend line which has been being formed for the past few days, and today it broke the trend line, but it's facing resistance from this level over here at around 18,100. So for tomorrow, the levels will be, if it breaks 17,800, we can go for a short trade up to 17,650. And I don't suggest trading between this range because the targets will be too small, and also between this range because the moving averages are there. And if it breaks this level tomorrow, the 18,100, we can go for a long trade to 18,173. And if it breaks 18,173, we can go for a long trade up to 18,244. But I'm not feeling very comfortable taking any trade in Nifty tomorrow because in Nifty, the targets are very small. We're only getting 0.3, 0.4% targets. I would suggest you stick to Bank Nifty for tomorrow because it's giving better targets tomorrow, and the risk reward ratio will be better for the Bank Nifty trades tomorrow. So we'll move to CNX IT. Okay, so I'll move to a daily chart. Yeah, so on a daily chart, CNX IT has been trading between this range, 37,350 and 34,650, and it has been consolidating in this range between 34,650 and 35,540. And recently it gave a breakout, that to a bullish pin bar, which is a very strong candle. So that's why I'm saying that watch out for the IT sector tomorrow. If you see another good green candle, I think you can go for the topmost weighted IT stocks tomorrow and accumulate, and you might see a good move. Maybe not a very big move, but maybe you'll see some kind of profits tomorrow. But do your own analysis. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. Consult your investment and financial advisor. But what my view is that a Nifty IT is going to see a good rally in the coming days. Okay, so we'll wrap up the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and happy trading.